What's going on, everyone? This is 𝐶𝐄𝐓'𝐒 once again, live in my private Facebook group, and I just feel like going live and share with you guys something very valuable, And in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact step-by-step messenger closing framework that I used to crack my first $5,000 online. I learned this lesson actually from the super affiliate accelerator mastermind program that I brought investing $1,000. As you can see that this live video is going to be very valuable from you, because these lessons are not actually mine. These are from my mentors, 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒, who is a seven-figure online marketer and entrepreneur. So I suggest you be very serious about this live, because I'm going to reveal with you something very powerful. This strategy, this messenger closing strategy, is really powerful, guys, because I know that most of us, we do everything right. We add peoples on a regular basis, we share contents, we network with like-minded peoples, but we just can't get it, we just can't get sales, because we don't know what kind of question to ask in messengers. We don't know how to pivot the conversation from rapport building to a sales conversation. Now we don't know how to continue the conversation. So this is exact framework that I use, and I suggest you to watch the full video. Okay, so I'm a little sweating right now because it's noon here. Anyway, let's start. Okay, so the Facebook organic marketing in a messenger we close sales, and it starts with understanding the right prospect. Okay, if you talk with a fake ID, if you talk with somebody who is a freebie seeker, people don't really are not really serious about it, affiliate marketing, coaching business, they are not going to really buy from you ever. So it starts with the ability to understand the right prospect, a hot lead. Okay, so when when someone sends you friend request or accept your friend request, then you give them a welcome message, and you know that person, where they're currently at, what they do, if they're really interested in online business, affiliate marketing or not. So you send them a welcome message, and you do some chit chat, try to understand that person, that prospect. And when you see that this person is the right thing, right prospect to work with, then you pivot to the messenger's closing framework. Okay, so it's very important that you first understand the prospect, otherwise you will waste your time. Okay, you are doing this for business, so you don't want to waste your time on the wrong prospect. So it starts with understanding the prospect. When the prospect is someone you can work with, then you move to the messenger selling framework. Okay, so the here are actually 7 points, 7 key points that you will use from the beginning to closing the sale. Okay, so I will mention them. If you have a pen and a paper with you, you can write them down, because you will forget otherwise. And don't worry, I will mention them again and again, but if you have a paper and a pen with you, write them down. The first key point of the framework is understanding where the person currently at. Okay, you have to understand where the person currently at. The second point is what are their current struggles, current pain points, what are they struggling at, and then where they want to go, then why they want to go there, how serious are they to make it happen, then permission to pitch your product or offer, then actually pitch the product, and then if they have any objection, you will handle the objection and then close the sale. Okay, these are the 7 key points in the framework, and I am going to dive into them right now so that you have a clear understanding about it. Okay, so the first point is understanding the prospect. Okay, where this person is currently at, what are their struggles. You have to really dig down and find out their current pain points, their struggles. Okay, and another amazing thing here is people lie to themselves and lie to you. Okay, when they ask them, okay, how much money you are currently making online, most of them will not really buy earn anything online, but they will answer, I'm making $5,000 monthly or something like that. People lie to you. They don't want to, disclose their secrets with you. But your job is not to settle with the wrong answer, with the lie. Your job is to dig down. And if when you dig down, if the person does not answer you or does not feel comfortable with you chatting with you, then this is not really a right prospect, and probably you are wasting your time here. Okay, so you have to ask questions. You can ask questions like, what are your current struggles with your business? What are you currently doing? How much money are you currently making online? Okay, this kind of, your job in the first key point is to understand where exactly the person is currently struggling with. Okay, what are their struggles, pain point? Ask questions, dig. The first stage is all about digging out their current scenarios and their current pain points. Okay, so when you have a clear understanding of when the person is currently at and their exact struggles, then you move up to the second step. The second step is, we just covered where their current struggle is, and the second step is, where they want to go. Okay, what are their current struggles and pain points, and the second is where they want to go. You can ask questions something like, okay, cool, you are currently struggling with this, or you are currently struggling with your online business, so where do you want to see yourself after, say, 6 months or 1 year? How much money you want to make from your online business, from your affiliate marketing business, after 6 months or 1 year? Okay, so by asking this question, you will have a clear understanding what this person expect. And if the person says, okay, I want to make $1,000 or I want to make $3,000, that's very low, that's very limit amount of money. You can scale that up. Okay, 3,000 is not a good amount to aim for. I suggest you make it 5,000, because we only get in life what we aim for. Okay, that's person, if the person is aiming for low, you can bump that up. You can recommend that, okay, go for $5,000 month, and I will help you exactly how you can get there. Okay, as you're that person. So now you know their current struggles, now you know where they want to go, and now your job is to find out why they want to go there, their exact reason. Why? Is it financial freedom? Is it time freedom? Is it location freedom? What is their reasons? So when you align where they want to go to why they want to go there, this builds a powerful connection. Okay, and the person starts to like you. Okay, so now you know where they want to go and why they want to go there. And the next step is, you have to know how serious are they. Okay, you have to know this very clearly, because most people will not be serious. They're serious, but when you ask them to invest in a good strategy, exact blueprint, or ask them to invest in a good mastermind program, most of them will not do that, because they are not really serious. They are here to try it, test it, and when they fail, they will quit. Okay, you don't want to work with this type of person. Okay, so now you have to ask them, how serious are they to make this happen? How serious are they to make $5,000 consistently from their online business? You can ask question like this. Okay, from a scale to 0 to 10, where you see yourself? How serious are you? If they say something like, okay, I am 6 or 7, ask them, why 6? Why not 10? Okay, you are here at 7. If I give you the exact formula, strategy to make it a 10, will you be serious enough to do it? Hey, sorry guys, there was a little trouble with the network connection. Okay, so now you know how serious are they. If you feel this person is really serious about making this happen, this person can work consistently every day and invest in a good program, then this person is your right fit. You can work with them. Okay, so you know why they want to go there and how serious are they. Now the next step is, pitch your product as a solution of their problem. Okay, you can ask something like this. Hey, I know a proven formula that others are making like this amount of money, using to make this amount of money. Will you allow me to share this to you? Okay, if the person says yes, and most of the person will say yes, then you can offer your solution, your product or service. And if they say no, just cut the communication, because this is not your ideal prospect. If they say yes, then you move on. Then you offer your product or service in a vague way. Do not hype things, do not overcomplicate this. If you do this, the person will feel that you are really needy for the sale, and this will kill the sale, because when you become needy for the sale, people understand that and they walk away. Okay, offer it, present it in a vague way. Okay, here is the exact system that I use to make this money. And if you're offering, using a community result, you can say, my community are using this framework to make this amount of money. Okay, so after you offered your solution, just shut up, don't say anything. If you keep on sending message talking, the person will feel that you are needy for the sale, you are trying to pitch. Okay, just shut up and let the person, since the person is really serious about it, he will dive into it, he will research on it, and he will definitely have questions and start to ask you questions. Now when the person start to ask you questions, your job is to answer, just answer and shut up. If they ask how much is it, just answer it and shut up. Okay, don't overcomplicate things. And when you say the price, you can follow two strategies. The first strategy is just state the price and shut up. The second strategy is you can first share the value it offers, the transformation it gives to people, and then shut up. Okay, when you price the person, state the price, the person will start to ask question, and your job to answer these questions. And there will be objections, people will have objections. It's not like that you ask some people to buy something and they will buy immediately. No, this is not going to happen. They will have objections like, okay, look, I'm really serious about it, but I don't have the amount of money right now, or I need to consult with my partner, or I need to research more on this. People will have objection. Okay, then you ask how much time you need to solve this thing. Okay, how much time you need to consult with your partner. So in the SAA, Jacob Curtis goes through this framework exactly in details, and he shares 8 or 9 scenarios of how you will handle these objections. So if you are someone interested in learning sales and marketing, definitely I recommend you to join SAA. And if you're watching on YouTube, the link will be in the video description. So this is actually the exact step-by-step framework I use to sell on Messenger, and I want to share with you again. The first point is where they're currently at, what are their current struggles and pain points, where they want to go, like 6 months or 1 year, how serious are they, why they want to go there, and how serious are they to reach that milestone, and permission to pitch your product, then pitch your product, and then answer questions and handle objections. This is the step-by-step framework. Okay, and then when you do this, probably most will not buy at the first try. Okay, and then most of you will quit, you will not follow up. Remember, I'm going to share with you a core fundamental of selling, which is money is in the follow-up. Okay, most people will not buy from you just when you pitch the product. Money is in the follow-up. You have to follow up with the person, say like 3 days, 6, 7 days, or 1 month. Hey, you wanted to learn about this product, how are you doing, what is your current struggles, are you hitting your goals, or this kind of things. Money is in the follow-up. If people know about your product, this means they are really interested in making this thing. If you do not follow up, someone else will win